Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create pie charts in Excel. Pie charts are one of the most popular and easy to read visualizations used in Excel. They help us represent parts of a whole in a circular format, making it simple to see proportions. So let's get started. Let's consider this example where we have the market share for different product categories in a store. We want to visualize this data using a pie chart to understand the percentage contribution of each category to the total sales. Select the range of cells that contain the data. In this case, it would be from B7 to C12. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on the pie chart icon in the charts group. You will see few options like 2D pie, 3D pie, donut, etc. Select the 2D pie chart for a simple and clear representation. Once the pie chart is created, you can customize it to make it more visually appealing. Add data labels, format data labels, change colors, add or edit the chart title, etc. Okay. For more advanced users, Excel offers several other customizations. 3D pie chart. To add more depth, you can choose the 3D pie chart from the pie chart options. This gives a three-dimensional effect. Explode a slice. You can highlight a particular slice by exploding it. Just click on the slice you want to explode and drag it slightly away from the center. Copy this chart and paste here. Pie of pie chart. This type of chart separates out some of the smaller slices and groups them into a secondary pie. It makes it easier to compare smaller segments while still showing their contribution to the total. Bar of pie chart. Similar to the pie of pie chart, but instead of a secondary pie, it uses a bar chart. This can help in displaying smaller values more distinctly and avoids the overlapping of smaller segments. Donut chart. If you want a different style, try the donut chart, which is like a pie chart with a hole in the middle. And that's it. You now know how to create a pie chart in Excel and customize it to suit your needs. Pie charts are a great way to visually represent data, especially when showing parts of a whole. Make sure to use them when you want to create compelling reports or presentations. And here are some of the examples for your reference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.